Have you ever gotten caught in a spiral of overthinking, replaying conversations, wondering what you should have said, or doubting your choices? Watch till the end. I'll share a method I used to break free in just 7 days, and you can do it too. Day 1. I decided I was done with overthinking. I turned off notifications, stayed away from social media, and made a vow to observe my thoughts without letting them control me. At first, it felt awful. I was wrestling with silence, but I kept going. Day 3. Instead of battling my worries, I wrote them down in a notebook, every single one. This simple tactic helped me clear mental clutter and realize I was thinking in circles. It opened up space for new ideas and peace of mind. Day 5. I tried breathwork and relaxation techniques. Deep breathing calmed my nervous system. Walking in nature without distractions grounded me and kept me anchored in the present moment. Overthinking started to fade, piece by piece. Day 7. I honestly feel reborn. My mind is clear. Instead of worries, I'm filled with calm, creativity, and confidence in myself. Overthinking no longer controls me. I do. If you're struggling with overthinking, give this method a try. Watch more psychology tips on this channel, and remember, you're not powerless. Change starts within you. Don't forget to subscribe for more strategies that help you become your best self.